Welcome to AICS Mentorium Data Handling in Python. In the last video, we saw the concepts of variables and how to name the variable, the rules to be followed while giving a variable name, and the concept of keywords. In this video, you will be learning different data types which are used in Python programming language. Python supports different types of data. First one is integer. Integer is a number without any decimal point. It could be a positive value or a negative value. Now let us see, demonstrate how these are represented. Say for example, a is equal to 5. 5 is the integer value which I have assigned to the variable a. If I check the data type of it, type into bracket a, it shows of class int. So type is a function which is used to check the data type of the variable in which the value is present. Now, say for example, a is equal to minus 10. Type a again minus 10, though it is a negative value, it is of type integer. Second one is decimal number, that is float. Float is a number which contains decimal point in it. Say for example, x is equal to 2.5. Type into bracket x. So you can see it is of class float. Now the floating point value can even be a negative one. Say for example, x is equal to minus 2.5. Type x. So it gives, so minus 2.5 is also a floating point. Third one, complex numbers. Complex numbers have got two parts, that is the real part and the imaginary part. Say for example, I have got a complex number, say x is equal to 2 plus 3j. So 2 is nothing but the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. And the j represents root minus 1. Now let us see this. Type into bracket j, sorry, type into bracket x. So it shows that the variable x has a data of type complex. Let us see now the Boolean values. So the Boolean values are true or false. Usually these true and false values are used when we give a conditional statement which results into, if the condition is met, it results into true, or if the condition is false, is not met, then it results into false. Let us see this. Say for example, I have got x is equal to true. Type into bracket x. So you can see it belongs to the class 2. Same way, if I give y is equal to false, type into bracket y, and it is also of class bool. So true and false, these are the two Boolean values. String, str string is a text or group of characters coming in single or double quotes. Say for example, I have got string s is equal to say hello. Type, you can see it belongs to the class string. So you can use double quotes or single quotes, anything. List. Lists are nothing but the ordered mutable collection. Lists are enclosed in square bracket. The more we'll be seeing the list in more in detail in the coming videos. Say for example, list L is equal to say square bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 is there, and we close the bracket. Now type into bracket L. It shows that it belongs to the class list. Now list, after list tuple is there. Tuples are enclosed in round bracket. That is, say for example, we have got E is equal to in round bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30, then type into bracket T represents of class tuple. As you can see, it is of class tuple. Set, it is an unordered collection of unique items. So for example, I write S is equal to, in these are sets are enclosed in curly brackets. Say 10 comma 20 comma 30. Tie into bracket S. So it represents the class set. Dictionary, it has key value pairs and are enclosed in curly brackets. So for example, I've got a dictionary by name D is equal to, so say name colon John comma age colon 10. As such, you can use for string any type of double quotes or single quotes. There's no restriction. Now you can see this. Let us check the data type of D. So it is of type dictionary. So these are the few data types which are used in Python programming language. I hope you have understood this. If you have liked this video, then kindly subscribe, share or like it. Thank you very much.